what's fun to do in Southwest Florida. There's a ton of action in Southwest Florida. Right now we're in Mercato. This is in North Naples, right across Vanderbilt Beach, where we're gonna head next. And then also in this community here, we have a nightclub scene, and we'll show you those restaurants very shortly. Right now in Mercato. We just sat down to have a quick lunch before we head off to Vanderbilt Beach. This is an amazing restaurant. First time here actually. This is farm to table type food setting, so we'll keep you posted on the flavors. This is like the best salad I've ever had in my life. It's so fresh.
What kind of oils in that pot?
So we just found out it's a super healthy place. Like, I definitely approve of this. So they gave us popcorn as usually have bread as the starter or whatever. So it's like a bowl of popcorn, and it's made with beef tallow rather than seed oils, which is awesome because we've stayed away from seed oils the last year and a half to 2 years. And amazing. This is so fresh. So everything's organic and from local farmers. So this is really high on my list. I'm gonna probably come here next weekend, and I'm back up with the family for breakfast for sure.